Weekly Bees social report on July 30th, 2021. So YFU Token, right, by Anime Limited. All right, everything's been kind of popping. You see it going up here, right here, right?
I like it.
It looks good, huh, Tim? So on the 23rd, if you would have bought YFU tokens, they were 75 cents. Today, on the 30th, it's 84 cents, right? That's up 9 cents from a week ago. You know what I mean? You're almost around a dime, right? That's almost a 10% gain on your capital, right? That's what we're talking about. That's what's good, right? If you bought $100 of YFU tokens on the 23rd, you'd have 131 YFU tokens, and they would be worth $111 today if you sold them. There are 390 YFU token holders. That's up from 387. So it is increasing. People are coming in. YFU has a total market cap of $8,836,000. YFU market cap is up $947,000 from last week. So, you know, they're just over 9.7 million. You know, great gain for them this week. July 18th, Anime Limited was excited to present, let me move this down here, their first NFT Collectibles Showcase. You're all invited to participate and be a part of the first edition. Be a part of it and create your own masterpiece, and we will make an NFT out of it. Share it to the community, and your friends can earn from it. Today's the last day. So this ends on the 30th. If you want to go and start doing that, creating NFTs, today's the last day. Get over on what YFU and Anime Limited are doing, and get up and get hooked up with this cool way to showcase NFTs, right? On July 2nd, Anime Limited was a guest on After Hours with Austin and you, Tim, because one of Anime Limited's NFTs is in IU Pixel's championship battle. They came out to support their NFT in the final battle. On July 27th, Anime Limit was trying to hype its team up with a giveaway of this Jet Cheerleader NFT. And that's Paul Kurix put up an amazing fight in the IU Pix NFT Battle Championship. They had an excellent turnout. It was a great thing. I'm going to go in a little further because the cool thing is, and Tim, it was kind of for our whole ecosystem. This wasn't just about Pixel. It kind of brought in our whole ecosystem. It was really awesome how it all worked out.